So let's look at how we can reuse this new sort of TLWeb styling inside Moodle, how we might be able to copy it into other areas of the course or indeed into other courses, and how we can edit the content there within. So here we are, we've got editing turned on, and I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom and hit the little cog in order to open up the editor. So you can see it here. This is all editable text, but what I'm going to do first of all is show you how you can copy this into another region of Moodle and therefore reuse it. So to do that, I'm going to toggle the HTML view. I'm going to select all and copy. Now that I've done that, I've got the code that I need. I can go elsewhere in Moodle. So for the purposes of demonstration, I might just add another section and put some material into that, and then I can show you later on some of the other tools that you might use the same styling with. So I'm going to go to the bottom, I'm going to add a new section, wait just a little while. Here's my new section, so I'm going to hit the cog again. Now I'm going to sort of reverse the process, go into the HTML view and paste the code that I previously copied, and then hit update. So now you can see that that styling is indeed in the editor here. I quite often go to this sort of full screen view. It makes the editing process much easier, and then you can change the text as you would normally expect. Then you can put your own stuff into here, etc. Now, fair warning, the Moodle editor is a little bit quirky. Sometimes it does some strange stuff with your code. I've noticed that in versions of Moodle more recent than yours, that's less of a problem. But just be careful that it doesn't do anything weird as you go along. Of course, you can change this text up here as well. And then it's really a matter of deleting away the sections that you don't want. So for instance, if you don't need any of these things here, and this is where it can be a little tricky, is just selecting stuff to delete. You notice it did a bit of an incomplete job of that. I've still got some remnants here. So sometimes the Moodle editor leaves a little bit of sort of detritus behind. It's a matter of just playing around and hitting the delete key to get rid of that. So you can see now that I can take that styling, I can reuse it in things like a section or a label. I could even use it, for instance, in a discussion post. Let me show you that. So first of all, I'll save the changes to this. So you can see that those changes are stuck. I could add something like a discussion. And then if you hit the show editing tools, you get back your normal editor, including the option now to paste, as I've done previously, the styling into there. So indeed, you can use the new styling pretty much anywhere within Moodle that you can access this editor. And again, you can go to toggle to full screen in order to make that edit process easier. So I hope that's useful. Again, there's a few caveats that the Moodle editor is not really designed for this stuff. We're sort of, I guess we're trying to kludge it a little bit, and every now and again it does some surprising things. Sometimes it's just a matter of, pasting the code back in and doing a bit of a clean go on it. Or you can take it out to Dreamweaver, which is usually better at leaving the code intact. Make your edits in Dreamweaver and then paste the full HTML back in to the editor. Both of those techniques work. Okay then, good on you.